Hello my dear student, I hope you are doing well. Today, inshallah, our lecture about style and strategies of writing research paper. Let us have a start. Strategies of writing the body of a paper different from writer to writer. Actually, in the previous lecture, we agreed that the paper consists of three main parts, and we already explained it. You can see it on the playlist of your text research approach. But now we are going to talk about the strategies of writing. Okay, so in general, quality research writing develops also in three steps, which they are using both our writing paradigms and an outline is necessary to keep order because they locate main issues and subtopics. Okay, the second strategy that follows stylistic conventions with regard to technical matters and documentation gives a professional touch to your paper. Accuracy with documentation signals to the reader that you have reached their subject and given proper credit to other scholars. The third strategy, revising and rereading the first draft carefully are important for clarity and accuracy. Okay, so these were the three main steps or strategies of writing the main body of the research. These steps illustrated in the following stages, which they are pre-writing, writing, and rewriting. Pre-writing stage, which is in this stage you choose a topic, narrow it, and move toward taking a stand. Your thesis, you also gather information for support further paper, a work of outline. As we mentioned, this text repeats itself. Please listen and study with attention, okay? And I hope you write an outline before writing anything. It will keep your thoughts and sentences organized. Writing stage. In this stage, using your working outline and your notes card as the keys, write a quick rough draft of your paper without worrying about how well you write. You need to focus on the overall logic of your paper, fitting ideas and support together. The outline helps you identify gaps and your paper. So this phase or this stage is the practical stage of the first one, which is pre-writing. In pre-writing, you planning and draw an outline. In this stage, you apply the outline on a paper. Okay. The last stage, which is rewriting, it is the extra work that perfects the paper. Without it, all the earlier work suffers. In this stage, you revise your draft, carefully reshaping and refining what you created in rough for during the writing the stage. Here you focus on finding the right words and perfecting the spelling and grammar. You also should concentrate on how sentences and paragraphs fit together. You have to read your paper at least once from start to finish. And for me, I would like to add, not only you read it, I would like to suggest to give it to someone not know about the subject but know the language you write with it, because the mistake that you used to do it, your eyes also used to read it as a natural outcome. So please let someone help you to read and discover the spelling errors, the grammatical mistakes, and so on. It will help you a lot, and also it will save your time. This was the first part of our lecture. Thanks for your listening and thanks for your time. See you in the second part. Have a nice day.